Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today we will discuss gold, silver, US oil, S&P 500, Euro USD, USD CAD, AUD New Zealand and Euro AUD. So let's start today 17th May 2020 and let's start with the silver. So I have labeled these waves as a, you can see this is the one chart. This silver chart, you can see this is wave 1 2 3 4 5 and this hold as a wave 1. Then we have seen correction A B C and we are in a wave 3. So target of the wave 3 is around 18.49 and then we will see correction, and this is the fifth wave. Let's confirm this third wave with the Fibonacci. So you can see this is the C. So this wave 3 can go up to the 21. So our target is $21 and presently around 16.79. so keep in mind for the silver, presently the target is 21, or one more target is around 1.38, 20 and then 21.331. we have to see the price action around this area. So presently the target is around 20.33, because the wave 3 we forecast as a 1.38 percentage of this wave 1, and the stop loss is the correction of this second wave around 14.55. so this is the silver chart. Now we see the gold. This is gold. You can see we have forecast this is 1 2 3 4 is a triangle pattern, and fifth is around 1771. so let's go inside this fifth wave. Going to go in a 15-minute time frame. So fourth wave is completed at this triangle pattern is completed around 1681. then we are in a this is the fifth wave. so we are 1 2, this is 3 4th and 5th, and we can see here we are in a third wave, and inside this third wave sub waves is like this 1 2 3 is completed around 1751, fourth will complete at 1741 or 1731. So our next target is this one. This is third, and I think this is A, B and C is complete around 1731. Then we may see up to the 1757, 1742 and 1771. So this is the waves for the gold. You can see this is how beautifully respected the Fibonacci. This inside fifth wave, see this first wave is around completed 78.6%, and extension of the third wave is forecast. Okay, 1757, nicely completed, and it is also respected for the internal waves. See, this is 1 2, let's try. Yeah, this is completed around 61.8%. Now extension of the first is around, see, exactly completed around 261.8%, and the correction of this fourth wave, we assume it is around 23 or 38%. If it is 23%, then it will complete near 1739 or maybe around 1731. So we may see correction up to the 1731, and then we may see a bounce to the 1757, 42 and 1771. So this is the gold patterns for the next week. Now see, next is oil, US oil. Okay, this is the pattern. See, the first wave started from, this is nearly around that negative value, and it was bounced from this one. So this is the one, then correction up to the $10 2, and we are in a impulse wave, third wave. So the target of this third wave is around $44. Then we may see it up to the correction $36, and fifth wave may complete around $53. Let's confirm with the Fibonacci. See, this is first wave, and the extension of the first wave is completed around $44, 161.8%. So we keep in mind this level, $44, and the correction of this first wave is around 50%. So oil is in bullish view. You should not short US oil for next week. We may see this target in couple of days, $44, and then we may see correction up to the $36, and final target is $53. So this is the US oil. Now next is S&P 500. Okay, this is the S&P 500. It's available as this is 1 2 3 4 and 5th is complete near 2977, then it is in correction A, B, C. Now it is in a, either this wave is next impulse or this is the X wave. So if this is X wave, then WXY pattern will follow, and if it is in a new impulse, then we may see this level 2979. So presently this is 1 2, and if it is X wave, then we may see up to the 2917, and if it is the new next impulse wave, then we may see higher levels 2979. So for next week the target is 2917, and we have to see the price action near this level. So this is bullish view 1 2 3 or A, B, C. So S&P 500 is in a bullish view. And next is Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. Now this one is the first impulse move 1, and we are in a correction of this first impulse move. So this is the second wave. The second wave, we have seen this WXY pattern. So this is A, B, C, this is W, this is X, A, B, C, and we are in a Y wave. So it may also do like a flat correction. This is also flat and this is also flat, so double flat. This is A, this is B, B is in a triangle form. This is 1 2 3 4 and 5th. So we may see correction at this 1.09618. so this level is important, around 1.092. then we may see this correction up to the 1.06500, and then we may see a next bounce, third wave. So for Euro USD, this is 1 2 2 3 4 and 5th. So for next week it is a bullish view, and see the price action around this 5th wave. This is Euro USD. Now next is Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, this one is the 1 2 and 3 will complete around 0.91969, then we will see 4th and 5th. So this is also in a bullish form, and we have to see this level 0.91969. So noted this level for the Aussie CAD, because let's confirm with the Fibonacci. Yeah, this is around 0.92100. Next, Aussie New Zealand. This is the weekly resistance line, and our third wave is also completed here for the Aussie QE. This is 1 2, this is 3 4 and 5th. 3 is complete around 1.09772. so this is a shorting opportunity, and it may correct up to the 1.07658. let's see, it's a 1 week time frame. Yeah, this is the 1 week, and this is, we may see here the correction. Our third wave is complete around here. So 1.09714 is a crucial resistance for this pair. Now Euro Aussie, this is on a smaller time frame. Euro Aussie, see this one is 1 2 3 is completed here. This is 4 and 5th. Now this one is A, B and C. This is the flat correction. So around the 78.6% of this A wave, the B wave will complete. So this is the shorting opportunity, this area. So 1.68780, and we will see the down move to the 1.68250. So for next week, this is also the important levels for the Euro AUD. So this is the all labeling we have seen. Let's see what happens next week. So thank you for watching this video.